Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a stable network and the correct app version to start. First, verify the TV is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone or router so account linking and casting will work. Once connected, open the YouTube app and note any error code or message. That tells you which path to take. Now restart both the TV and your router. Power off for 30 seconds, because many playback problems clear after a full reboot, making the next steps meaningful. Once the device is fresh, update software, because fixes often arrive in patches. Head to Settings and install any YouTube app or TV firmware updates. Delays here keep bugs alive. If issues persist, clear the app cache or data to remove corrupt temporary files, or uninstall and reinstall YouTube to reset the app. Then unlink and relink your account or repair your phone for casting. This reestablishes proper authentication and often resolves playback or login errors. Finish by isolating lingering network or hardware faults. Try wired Ethernet or a mobile hotspot to see if Wi-Fi interference was the culprit. This narrows whether the TV or network needs attention. If nothing else fixes it and you've tried updates, cache clears, and relinking, consider a factory reset, but backup settings because you'll lose customizations. If errors persist, write down the exact error codes and contact the TV maker or YouTube support for targeted assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.